Harmful insects. Cockroach, mosquitoes, houseflies are the harmful insects. First of all, cockroaches. So they live in dark, damp places like drains. Damp means wet places. So the cockroach live in a dark, damp places like drains. Okay, they pick up dirt and germs, and they leave disease causing germs on uncovered food items. Means they pick up dirt and germs, they leave disease causing germs on the uncovered food items. Generally they come out from their places at night, and we should keep all food items covered. So they come out from their places at night, and we should keep all food items covered. Mosquitoes are the cause of many diseases like malaria and dengue. So these are the cause of many diseases like malaria and dengue. They lay egg in damp places like water filled puddles. Means they lay their eggs in the damp places, okay, like a water filled puddles, okay, where the water get collected. So that is the puddles on the ground. So if they sting a person who has a malaria or a dengue, they can pass on the disease to others whom they sting. Means if the mosquitoes sting a person who has a malaria or a dengue, and they can pass on the disease to others, to other persons, okay, whom they sting. So malaria and dengue are the serious diseases, and the suffering person get high fever and becomes very weak. So malaria and dengue are the very serious diseases, and the suffering person get high fever and becomes very weak. So platelets decrease in blood. So due to malaria and dengue, due to these diseases, okay, the platelets are the cells, okay, they decrease in the blood. So person suffering from dengue can sometimes die. So it is very harmful for us. So precaution against mosquitoes. What precaution we should taken against the mosquito? So we must not allow water to collect in empty bottles, puddles, empty tires, unused water coolers. So we must not allow water to collect in empty bottles, puddles, empty tires, and unused water coolers. Second one, coolers must be cleaned regularly and emptied when they are not in use. Okay, so coolers must be cleaned and emptied when they are not in use, so that water cannot collect in these. Third one is mosquitoes of dengue disease lay eggs in fresh water. So mosquitoes of the dengue disease lay eggs in fresh water. So we must keep water containers covered. So we must keep water containers covered. Fourth one is we must keep the area around our house clean and dry. Means we must keep the area around our houses clean and dry. We should have a wire mesh on the windows. Mesh means network of the wire on the windows and the doors to keep mosquitoes away. So these are the precautions we should taken against mosquitoes. After that, house flies. House flies spread many diseases. When they sit on the garbage, they pick up many disease causing germs. So house flies also spread many diseases, and when they sit on the garbage, they pick up many disease causing germs. These germs get on to food. These germs get on to food when they sit on it. So they get many germs on the food when they sit on it. So infected food is the cause of the stomach upset. So another serious illnesses. So the stomach diseases are related to the diseases. It is due to the infected food. So the stomach diseases, okay, is due to the infected food. And so we should always eat covered food. So we should always eat covered food. Thanks.